Shooting, burning pain, and numbness can often be traced to spinal nerve damage. At times, surgery can correct the condition, but in cases where the patient's diagnosed with neuropathy, their treatment options might be very limited. News 4 Tucson's Sean Mooney has a story of a woman who'd almost given up on ever living pain-free again.
Stephanie Staling suffers from neuropathy, a condition that is difficult to define and even harder to treat. Simply put, it occurs when nerves that carry messages to and from the brain and spinal cord are damaged or diseased.
I was at a 10, out of 10. I was in tremendous pain.
Stephanie's nightmare began 2.5 years ago after she ruptured her L5 disc in her lower back.
And what they said is basically my central nervous system was rebooting, and I had nerve damage in my lower leg and foot. And this was my new normal, and there was nothing they could do for it.
Dr. Alan Shee with Head to Toe Healthcare says that treating neuropathy starts with discovering exactly what is causing the patient's pain.
I think the first step is listening to them, figuring out what the problem that they see is, and then ideally it matches what you see too in clinic, and then making a plan to solve those problems.
After evaluating her condition, Dr. Shee designed a treatment plan that included cortisone injections. It wasn't long before Stephanie felt the impact.
I was having burning, shooting pain, sharp pains, dull pain, just nerves were just on fire. And he gave me my first injection, and immediately I felt a relief on the top of my foot.
So far, Stephanie has had 4 injections and says her level of pain has dropped from a 10 to a 4. She says for the first time since the injury, she is optimistic about getting well again.
I'm a very athletic person. I work out, I run, I'm involved in my family. So I'm looking forward to having that back and being able to sleep more than 4 hours at night and to get off my medications.
Part of the reason I came into this area is I wanted to help people walk, and it's exciting to see people's lives changed.
For more information on the treatment of neuropathy, go to the Head to Toe Healthcare for Your Health page at KVOA.com. For Your Health, Sean Mooney, News 4 Tucson.